everyone, we are back in the LYNQ kitchen with Mia and myself.
Hello.
So today we are making chocolate pudding using, actually it's a vegan chocolate pudding, right?
It is. It's a vegan chocolate pudding because the milk that we're using is almond milk and the base is avocado and
chocolate invincible.
Invincible.
So in this recipe you're actually getting a lot of vitamin C.
How we start is we take one avocado. So we're going to put it in the blender.
With the avocado, we are adding freshly squeezed orange juice, some oat milk,
Or almond milk or any type of milk that you want.
a dash of salt,
Literally just a pinch.
and we're adding Invincible chocolate powder. Two, 3 heaping, I think I'm putting one.
It's going to be very chocolatey.
And
Okay. We like chocolate.
coconut.
Nice.
Yeah,
It looks very pretty. Let's dig in, see how good this tastes. It tastes like pudding.
It's actually very light.
I like the orange.
You need to like the orange.
Yeah, I like the orange. I like the orange and chocolate combo. I like it, but if you don't like orange, or if you don't like that combination, you could just remove the orange.
Very good. It's very light.
Very good.
So, can't get enough of it, but give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed
like
this
this
video.
video.
Follow us
And share.
and share.